Hello guys, my name is Matthew and welcome back to Xero tutorial. In the first part, we actually decided to stop the video right before I get a confirmation email about Xero. So I've decided to pause it there and let's continue where we already get the confirmation email in our account, so we can continue exploring how beautiful and simple to use and simple to track Xero actually is. For you who just came for the second part and wonder what Xero is, it's a very nice accounting software. I would say one of the best on the market so far. They are providing very generous 30 days free trial without addressing the credit card. And I'm really looking forward to create more videos about it. In the first part, if you miss it, we went through logging in and actually talking about what Xero actually is, and the pricing plans and integrations, what you actually expect from them. Also the deployment, that you can use it in your mobile device as well, which is like one of the greatest option that Xero offers, straight with the free plan. And yeah, we are here. Getting there is pretty easy. Confirmation of the account, and also two-factor authentication, which is a next step for you to actually secure your data, because you are asked to get your account, like get or cannot connect your bank account. So security has to be top notch. And for that part, they ask you to enable two-factor authentication. First part of this two-factor authentication is actually using Authenticator in your smartphone and scanning the QR code. That's one of the harder parts, but I strongly recommend you using this one. Yeah, this one, the Google Authenticator. You can download it into your mobile phone and then just simply scan it. But yeah, you have to get a smartphone, or you have to have a smartphone to make it easier. And then setting a second email or the backup email. Right after you do that, you will be greeted by Xero. This is our dashboard. So for the sake of security of my bank account, I'm not gonna do it, but it's pretty easy. For example, you can go by looking at find an account, or you can manually add it, name of your bank, account name, and account type, and the name of your bank. Okay, let's make something up. Let's go with Tatra, for example. Account name, business, account type. Let's go with credit card, and then you are asked to put a credit card number. Also, it's in euros, but you can change it anytime you want, and then save it. Okay, like this, and this is your credit card. Business added. Xero works better with your transaction, manually importing your bank transactions, and then you will import it back there. If you have this set it up, which is a business card, so far only 4 numbers. I'm feeling okay to add, but then you should move to the right, which is get paid faster with online invoices. And then here we are, we can create the invoice. It's pretty easy. You are basically, they're helping you by their UI to create an invoice. So to, for example, Rocket Company, who is watching this channel, I love rockets. Date, it's 31st of August. Due, it's like 14 days. So it will be till 14 of September. Invoice number 1, reference, go with 1 as well. And then item, let's go with new item, item code, item name, rocket parts. I sell this item, unit price is 5,000, sales account. Let's go with revenue, I don't know. Tax rate is in percentage, so 20%. And save. So rocket parts, quantity 1, unit price, discount we are not offering. Tax rate should be 20% here in Slovakia. So yeah, like this. The names you would like to appear in Xero. Tax, okay. And also the tax is 5,000, so they should pay us 6,000 euros. Let's go check the options, approve and add another, approve and print. Let's go with approve. And just like that, you created your first invoice. So invoice approved. You can add another one. You can also get rid of it. Many more, and you see that it already creating some kind of graphs or some kind of easy to read options for you. Track where your money is going. You can review the categories for transaction like this: revenue, expenses, assets, liability and equity. Import unpaid invoices if you have some. Pay your bills on time, which you can add new bills so you don't forget to pay it. And then yeah, it will keep you up with all the plans and everything you have to do. Let's go to the businesses. You see all like invoices that you already created. There's only one. The draft ones, awaiting for approval, awaiting payment. Also the paid ones, like this. You can straight away print it, post it on email. Many more. We have accounting and also the contacts, where you can add a new contact anytime you really want to. So right there, new contact, business person, first name, last name, email. This is basic stuff that you can expect from every single accounting software or CRM or anything where you are working with clients. On the top right corner, I would love to focus on this panel. There is this little plus button where you can easily use a shortcut basically to create invoice, bill, contact, quote, purchase order, spend money, receive money, or transfer money. I'm using this the most oftenly. Then search button, notification button, also the help option, and there are the settings. When you click on your MK, for example, there should be anything else like name of your company, your logo, and many more. There is our profile, and we can edit it all we want. You can upload image, job title, brief bio, and many more. Then manage the subscription, billing accounts, and also the settings with profile setting and account setting. With account setting, you can check everything out, your backup email, also multi-factor authentication. And that's what I was talking about. here you have to set up those two to make Xero work. Just like that, you can also use an advantage of integrations. I strongly recommend you joining Xero with your CRM programs like Monday or Trello, or basically anything you like to use. And it makes perfect sense and perfect partner with all of those. And yeah, that's about it, guys. If you have any types of questions about Xero, please let me know underneath this video and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can with a new video, hopefully. And obviously, I'm gonna focus more on Xero with future videos. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.